And it all comes as businesses and neighborhoods in Bloomington are still recovering from a flash flood earlier this summer. That storm saw buildings fill with water and cars literally drift through downtown.
Yeah, police, in fact, are showing the public what first responders went through and are sharing tips to keep them safe.
CBS 4's Mike Sullivan joins us now in the newsroom, in the studio, with what officials are saying about it tonight. Good evening, Mike.
Yeah, they liken the process to kindergarten, saying everything you know and that you learned in grade school is going to apply here when it comes to floods, because it's much like a fire drill. They want fellow Hoosiers to have a plan, to practice it, and to stick to it.
At times, it may feel like a flood of misfortune.
We just got over COVID.
At others,
You know, I come in here and we see that 5 inches, 6 inches of rain.
the real thing.
It's deflating.
For Bloomington business owners, the last blow they expected was what locals call the flood of 2021.
We're still trying to recover right now.
For Osteria Rago, the heavy rains brought water in.
To the white baseboards, it was pretty much covered all the way through.
General Manager Ian Fletcher and his crew immediately went to work.
Just opened our front door, just started shoveling water out for about 3 or 4 hours.
Officer Scott Oldham says it's the type of situation landlocked Hoosiers don't think about,
But at a certain point, you need to know what to do yourself.
especially when first responders can't make it.
That night, we had 169 what we're going to call events.
A handful of officers were rushing to a person shot in a home invasion robbery, with the suspects on the run.
As they're trying to respond, they can't get through some streets.
Nor could other drivers, frantically calling 911 as dispatchers advise, get out, get to high ground.
It's almost up to the windows. Okay, yeah, take the windows down. We're going to take the windows down. We're going to get out.
In a time lapse of downtown, the streets flooded in 10 minutes. In 20, cars were floating. Within 35 minutes, water was inside nearby businesses.
You're going to have to start fleeing upstairs, second floor, the attic.
Make a decision. Make sure there's always an escape.
Now, in that 911 call that you just heard, everyone in that car got out safely despite that water rising above the hood. Bloomington PD says if that weren't for the dispatcher taking action and talking to them, they believe they may not be alive. In the studio, I'm Mike Sullivan, CBS 4 News.